Hi, I'm artist Susan Wickstrand, and today we're going to learn how to make packing tape transfers. Okay, so first we're going to take some images and lay them out here. I have them on a cutting mat. I recommend vibrant, brightly colored images. They come out the best in packing tape transfer. Make my little layout here. I'm going to use strips of packing tape. So I'm going to start from the center and go out. And then the next most important step is to burnish, and that is to use the burnisher and rub it pretty firmly. You want to make sure to get all the air bubbles out. So when that is done, I'm going to take, you can kind of see the glistening, my packing tape, and I'm going to submerge it in warm water and remove the paper pulp. So I'm going to do it like this with my thumb. When that's done, I remove that from the water, let it dry. When that's done, you'll take your completed packing tape transfer and decide if you want to put it on a wood panel or a card like this. You can buy these at any stationery store or art supply store. And then I use a glue stick and I trim the image and I glue it onto there, and then I press firmly, and that's it. Packing tape transfers 101.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the interwebs.